Yes. So the last option, Sam, that we have for you today is probably one of the best options that patients accept very, very well, especially when they go from all teeth to nothing at all. They are used to having teeth. Your teeth have the ability to give you the sensation of pressure, but when you go to dentures, you lose that sensation because you don't have teeth anymore. When we put implants in our bone and our chewing capability with implant increases, your pressure sensation comes back. Okay, so the last option that I'm going to give you is to put more than 2 implants, would be to put 5 implants in your lower jaw. Okay, once that is done and your implants are placed very strongly in the bone, we go ahead and take your lower denture and connect it to those 5 implants the same day, if the implants are strong in the bone. Okay, what that is called, what if you must have heard, teeth in a day. So you come in here, we remove all your teeth and give you 5 implants on the bottom, give you an upper denture, take your lower denture and connect it to the implants we place the same day, and that is what we would call teeth in a day. However, that is not your final treatment. You have to come back in a couple of months and we fabricate a new bottom and a new top denture for you that is made on a healed mouth. Also, the lower denture is made in such a way that it gets connected to those 5 implants in the bottom and you never have to take them out.
Okay.
You brush them like you would brush your teeth. You clean them like you would clean your teeth. Every 6 months, you come to our office, our hygienist can take it apart, check all the screws within it, and then put it back in. So for you, it's literally like having your teeth back again. The chewing efficiency that you would get with this kind of fixated denture would be about 85% of your natural teeth. The combination of wearing that fixated denture on the bottom with the regular denture on top works extremely well for patients. It gives them very comfortable speech and function. So in my opinion, given your age and the bone structure, this would be a very good option where we can put 5 implants. If they are strong, we connect your dentures to them the same day. If not, you come back in 3 months and we make a new set of fixated denture for the bottom and a regular denture on the top.
Okay.
So those are the options available for you, and I'm presenting it to you in terms of their efficiency or the prognosis of them. The last option that you have has the best prognosis of treatment, very high success rate, and very high patient satisfaction.
Very good.